Hey everybody, thanks for watching. In the description below are links to the smart music exercise that this is associated with and the free sheet music PDFs. If this helps you, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Here we go. So just a quick reminder that when you're looking at this song, these notes here are going to be technically articulated as a trombone player, but in this case, they're going to be lightly tongued, okay? Lightly, like da, da, a very light da, as opposed to here, when we go da, 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 they're a little bit more separated and a little bit more front end on the tongue, as opposed to almost like they're completely connected. All right, that does it. If it helped, let me know in the comments below. You guys are awesome. Keep up the great work. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.